Today I'm going to show you how to cook ground turkey breast. Cooking ground turkey breast is quick and healthy, and it's leaner than beef. So the trick is keeping it flavorful and not letting it dry out. Here's a step-by-step way of how I do it. Now this is the basic stovetop method. The ingredients that you'll need is 1 pound of ground turkey breast, 1 to 2 tablespoons or teaspoons of olive oil, but that's optional, and optional garlic, onion, herbs, spices. It sounds like I'm going to KFC or something, but I'm not. Now, when I'm cooking this ground turkey breast, I happen to have a frozen block of ground turkey breast. So the method that I'm using with this cooking of the ground turkey breast is the defrost while it cooks method. And what I do is I simply place the ground turkey breast that's frozen inside of a pan, and then I add some water to it, and then put the top on it, allowing the steam to melt away the frost from the ground turkey breast and defrost it completely. Now this method is not the ideal method, but I was hungry, and so I'm doing it this way. So what I do is, after I preheated the pan, I placed it in the skillet. I did not add oil. It's in there, and now what I'm doing is using a spatula to break apart the ground turkey breast. It's frozen, so I have to put a little bit more elbow grease in there. But doing this, it's helping the defrostation of the ground turkey breast. And as it breaks apart, the heat cooks it, and you can see that the heat is turning it from pink to brown, and the brown is indicating that it's cooking. And when I cook it, I have the top on, and I take it off to stir it. But I'm cooking it through, and when I cook it, I stir it occasionally, and I'm going to do this until no pink remains. Normally, if this was not frozen, it would take about 7 to 10 minutes, but because this is frozen, it is taking a little bit longer. Now, when you're doing this, you want the internal temperature to reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 degrees centigrade.